Show Daddy how you can walk. Good job, little girl.
Bye-bye, Lauren.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
We'll see you later.
Can we try to get her to turn?
She's turning it. Here we go again. We're moving.
Yay!
Oh.
Whoa!
Good job, little girl.
Can you flip it around?
Are you going to turn it for us?
Mama show you? Go easy, Mama.
Here she comes.
Look how she's
Wow.
wobbling.
All of a sudden, huh?
Yeah, it just happened to be. Bye-bye, Lauren.
Bye-bye, Diddle.